Hello my lovely kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing Olympiad Maths Class 8 by Galaxy Publication. Now let's start chapter 4, Playing with Numbers. We have learned earlier the method of writing a number in the standard form, number patterns, and solve some number puzzles. In this chapter we shall learn the method of writing 2 and 3 digit number in generalized form, solving number puzzles, and deduce the divisibility test rules of 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10 of a 2 or 3 digit number written in the generalized form. A number is said to be in generalized form if it is expressed as the sum of the product of its digits with their place values. Now, writing 2 and 3 digit numbers in generalized form, we have learned earlier the method of finding the place value of a digit in the given number and how to express a given number in the expanded form. We know that 42 equals to 40 plus 2 means 10 into 4 plus 2 means 10 into 10's digit plus unit digit. 65, 60 plus 5, 10 into 6 plus 5 means 10 into 10's digit plus unit digit. ऐसे 89 है 80 plus 9, so 10 into 8 plus 9, 10 into 10's digit plus unit digit. So a 2 digit number whose 10th digit is A and unit digit is B, it can be written as 10A plus B, where A is non-zero and B are whole numbers. Okay. Now similarly, on interchanging the digits, we can write the new number as 10B plus A. So in a 2 digit number, the 10th digit and 1's digit may be any whole number from 0 to 9. Again, we know that 623 is 100 into 6 plus 10 into 2 plus 3 means 100 into 100's digit plus 10 into 10's digit plus unit digit. Now 758, 100 into 7 plus 10 into 5 plus 8 means 100 into 100 digit plus 10 into 10's digit plus unit digit. Now 909, 100 into 9 plus 10 into 0 plus 9 means 100 into 100 digit plus 10 into 10's digit plus unit digit. So a 3 digit number whose 100 digit is A, 10th digit is B and unit digit is C, it can be written as 100A plus 10B plus C, where A is non-zero, A, B and C all are whole numbers. Now if the digits are reversed, the new number will be 100C plus 10B plus A. So in a 3 digit number, the hundreds, tens and ones digit may be any whole number from 0 to 9. Now example 1, the sum of the digits of a 2 digit number is 8. If the digits are reversed, the new number increases by 18. Find the number. So let the unit digit be x and the 10th digit is y. So number formed is 10y plus x. Now we know that the number obtained on reversing the digit, it would be 10x plus y. Now according to condition, new number is bigger than original number by 18. So new number equals to original number plus 18. So 10x plus y equal to 10y plus x plus 18. यहाँ से हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा, एक इक्वेशन आ जाएगी x और y में. So x minus y equal to 2 and we know sum of the digits is 8. So x plus y equals to 8. अब हम इन दोनों को simplify कर लेंगे. We know very well how to simplify. So we are getting 2x equals, by adding these two we are getting 2x equal to 10. So we can do by like this also. Now we find all the pairs of digits from 1 to 9 whose difference is 2 and sum is 8. So that we find there are only 2 pairs which satisfy both the condition, either x is 3 and y is 5 or x is 5 and y is 3. So but x is not equal to 3 because it does not satisfy first. So therefore x 5 and y 3. Simply आप इसको solve कर सकते हैं इन दोनों equations को by adding और by subtracting. अगर हम इन दोनों को add करेंगे तो y cancel हो जाएगा. 2x equal to 10. So x equal to 5. फिर x की वैल्यू हम फर्स्ट या सेकंड में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर देंगे. We can find y. Okay. There is one more method given like this. Now here example 2, the product of two-digit number is 2117. The product of their unit digit is 27 and that of tens digit is 14. Find the number. So let the two-digit number is 10a plus b and 10c plus d, because the product of two-digit number, हमें दो numbers assume करने हैं. One is 10a plus b and the other is 10c plus d. Now according to condition, unit digits का जो product है that is 27. So b into d is 27 and a into c equals to 14. Now find all possible pairs of digits 1 to 9 whose product is 27. So we know 3 9s are 27. So we can take b3 and d9, or we can take b9 or d3. So similarly possible pairs of digits whose product is 14, that is c2 and a7 or c7 a2. So possible numbers are, हमारे पास कौन कौन से digits possible हैं? 2 and 7, c is 2, okay, and a is 7. So c2 and a7, okay, and d में हम we can take 3 or 9 और b को भी 3 or 9. So let's take c2 and d take 3 or 9. अगर 3 और 9 लेंगे तो numbers बनेंगे 23 and 29 और ऐसे इसमें number बनेंगे 73 and 79. Okay, now we know 23 into 79 is this one and 29 into 73 is this one. So which one is the possible? So this one is the possible result. So numbers are 29 and 73. Okay, now the next is number puzzles and games. In this section we shall solve some mathematical puzzles and games. There are no set rules to solve such problems. Now example 3, choose integers from 1 to 9 so that a into c into ac equals to ccc, where the letters a and c stand for different digit. So here see, a into c into ac equal to ccc, okay. So a into ac equals to 111. Now the only possibilities for the product of two numbers to be 111 is 1 into 111 equals to 111 or 3 into 37 equals to 111. But 1 into 111 is not possible because 111 is 3-digit number, okay. So a equal to c, तो only possibility is 3 into 37, यानी हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? 3 into 37 equals to 111, which gives a3 and c7, right? Now example 4, use digits from 0 to 9 to solve the following, where each letter stands for a different digit. Here it is given SEND plus MORE and here MONEY, different letters. Now here letter M cannot be 0 as it is the leftmost digit of the sum, so M can't be 0. Also it cannot be more than 1 as it is the carryover number, so M is 1, okay. M को हम क्या लेंगे? 1. So the question becomes, हम जहाँ पर M है वहाँ पे हम 1 लगा देंगे. So SEND plus 1 ORE and here 1 ONEY. Now carried over here cannot be more than 1. Now letter S cannot be less than 9 because sum of S and 1 carries over 1, okay. So S is 9. So the question become S की जगह हम लिख देंगे 9. So 9 END 1 ORE and here 1 ONEY. Now clearly the letter O is 0 because 9 plus 1, that is what? That is 10, okay. So now the question reduces to, जिसकी वैल्यू आती जाएगी हम यहाँ पर लगाते जाएंगे, तो O की वैल्यू हमारे पास क्या आ गई? 0. So here 10 NEY और यहाँ पर 10 RE, right? Now let us take E as 5. The question becomes, E को हमने 5 सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है तो हमने यहाँ पर 5 लगा दिया, ये बन जाएगा. Because 5 plus 0 is 5 which is not equal to n, so n is 5 plus 1 carried over from the tens digit, that is 6. The question reduces to, तो n हमारा क्या बन जाएगा? 6. Okay, so now here 6 plus r, that is 15, which gives r equal to 9, which is not possible because we have taken S9. So r equals to 8 and 1 is to be carried over from units digit. Now the question reduces to, तो हमारे पास वैल्यूज क्या आ जाएंगी, 956D, 1085, 1065Y. Now D and Y left. Now D is the one of the digit 2, 3, 4 and 7, since other digits have already been used. So D cannot be 2, 3 or 4 since we need 1 carried over. So D is 7. So now Y will be 2, hence the solution is this one. So very interesting, such type of question you can try on your own. Okay, so now here one point, if you take E other than 5, it will not work if you proceed further from that step, right? Now example 5, using digits from 1 to 9, find the value of the letters if each of them has different value. So here AB into C, DE plus FG, that is HI. So what will you get? Here we can write 1, 7 into 4, then 68, then plus 25, that is 93. So you can try like this. Now example 6, filling the boxes by 2-digit prime numbers so that the sum of the numbers horizontally and vertically is 161. Okay, हमें numbers fill करने हैं so that the sum becomes 161, and here 2-digit prime numbers. So the 2-digit prime numbers are 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. First all, write all 2-digit prime number. Now see, here we are writing A, B, C, D, E, F, right? Okay, now A plus B plus 17 plus C plus 43, it should be 161. So A plus B plus C is 101. Okay, now here D plus E plus 17 plus F plus 11 is 161. So D plus E plus F is 133. Now to get A plus B plus C 101, we need to select 3 numbers from the above list of 2-digit prime numbers whose sum is 101. So one such possible group of number is 23, 37 and 41. Again we need to select 3 numbers from the list such that their sum is 133. So one such possible group of number is 13, 47 and 73. Okay, it's like a puzzle. So आपको try करना है. Right, now points. The first, each group of numbers selected above can be written in any order. The second, there may be more than one solution to such type of problems. Now example 7. Write numerals from 1 to 9 using ones in the blank square in such a way that the sum of each row, column and diagonal is 15. Now the numerals are 1 to 9. Find all possible groups of 3 numerals such that the sum of each group is 15. So write 915, 924, 816, 825, 834, 726, 735, 654. Now the numeral 5 which occurs most will be in the center. So 5 को हम center में लिख देंगे, right? And the numerals 2, 4, 6, 8 which occurs 3 times will be at the corners. इनको हम corners में लिख देंगे. Then the other numerals which occur 2 times will be in the center square such that the given condition is satisfied. फिर हम numbers try करेंगे. Now you can check 4 plus 9 13 plus 2 15. 4 plus 3 7 plus 8 15. 9 plus 5 14 plus 1 15. 2 plus 7 9 plus 6 15. Okay, now one point. This square is called 3 into 3 magic square. Now number patterns. You can make your own patterns using coins or matchstick. Here is an example of coins. Now here size 1 coin 1. Now size 2 coin 6. हमने 6 coins लिए. Now we are taking coins 15. Okay, this is the size 3. Now coins 28 like this. So how many coins would you use when size is 5? So you can try this one, right? Now formula for size n, number of coins n into n plus 2 into n minus 1 into n minus 2 dash dash 3 into 2 into 1. Look at the following pattern. 2 cube minus 1 cube, that is 7. 1 plus 3 into 2 into 1. 3 cube minus 2 cube, that is 27 minus 8, that is 19. So 1 plus 18. 3 into 3 into 2. Now 4 cube minus 3 cube, that is 64 minus 27. So that is what? That is 37. Okay. So here 1 plus 3 into 4 into 3, 1 plus 36, right? So formula for the above pattern is n cube minus n minus 1 whole cube equals to 1 plus 3 into n minus 1. So 20 cube minus 19 cube, 1 plus 3 into 20 into 19, right? So 1 plus this number, that is 1141. So now we take a few examples of number patterns. Now example 8. Look at the following pattern and then write as the sum of odd numbers, like A part 6 cube. So 6 cube, we know here 1 cube is 1, 2 cube, that is 3 plus 5, 8. 3 cube 27, 7 plus 9 plus 11, then 4 cube 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. So this pattern shows how to express n cube as the sum of n consecutive odd numbers. If you want to find n cube, we add n consecutive odd numbers, the first being n into n minus 1 plus 1. Okay, जैसे यहाँ पर हमने 13 से स्टार्ट किया, यानी 4 into 3 12 plus 1 13. So here अगर हमें 6 क्यूब करना है तो n is 6, तो फर्स्ट हम नंबर क्या लेंगे, 6 into 5 plus 1 यानी 31. So 6 क्यूब is 31 plus 33 plus 35 plus 37 plus 39 plus 41. ऐसे हम B पार्ट है 8 क्यूब, तो 8 क्यूब के लिए फर्स्ट नंबर क्या होगा, 8 into 7 plus 1 यानी 56 plus 1 57. तो 57, नेक्स्ट 59, देन 61, 63, ऐसे हम 8 नंबर्स ले लेंगे, वो आएंगे 71 तक. ओके, नाउ सी पार्ट 7 क्यूब, तो फर्स्ट नंबर क्या होगा, 7 into 6 plus 1, दैट इज 43. तो 43 plus 45 plus 47 plus 49 plus 51 plus 53 plus 55, right? Now example 9, look at the following pattern and then complete the next line, like A part 18, 28, 17, 35, 53, 13, 23, 12, 25, 38, then here 12, 22, 11, 23, 35, then 7, 17, then 6, 13, 20 and then 5 dash dash. Now in each line second number is 10 more than the first number. See here 18 plus 10 28. Okay, third number is 1 less than the first number. थर्ड नंबर जो है वो 1 लेस है फर्स्ट नंबर से. एंड द फोर्थ नंबर इज सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड नंबर 18 plus 17, that is 35. एंड द फिफ्थ नंबर इज सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ, that is 53. सो अब इसको भी हम ऐसे करेंगे, लाइक फर्स्ट नंबर 5 इज गिवन, सेकेंड नंबर 5 plus 10 15. ओके, देन थर्ड नंबर 1 लेस होगा, इट वुड बी 4. नाउ फोर्थ नंबर इन दोनों का सम, सो हेयर 5 plus 4 9 एंड द फिफ्थ नंबर फर्स्ट एंड फोर्थ नंबर का सम, दैट इज 14. ओके, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. नाउ बी पार्ट 22 26 52 56 82 574 577, फिर 27 31 62 66 97 679 682, फिर ऐसे 9 13 26 30 43 301 304 लाइक दिस. सो हेयर फर्स्ट नंबर इज 13. अब आप रिलेशन देखेंगे, इन ईच लाइन द सेकेंड नंबर इज 4 मोर देन द फर्स्ट नंबर. 22 plus 4 26, 27 plus 4 31, 9 plus 4 13, 23 plus 4 27. तो सेकेंड नंबर क्या आ जाएगा, 13 plus 4 17. ओके, सेकेंड नंबर इज 17. नाउ थर्ड नंबर इज ट्वाइस ऑफ सेकेंड नंबर. थर्ड नंबर डबल है सेकेंड नंबर का. 26 into 2 52, 31 into 2 62, 13 into 2 26, 27 into 2 54. The second number is 17, it's double, that is 34. So third number is 34. Now fourth number is 4 more than the third number. Fourth number 52 plus 4, 62 plus 4, 26 plus 4. So fourth number is 34 plus 4, that is 38. Now the fifth number is sum of second and fourth number. Fifth number is sum of second and fourth. 26 plus 56, 82. 31 plus 66, 97. 13 plus 30, 43. 27 plus 58, 85. So add second and fourth number. So you will get fifth number, that is 55. Now the sixth number is 7 times the fifth number. जो सिक्स नंबर है वो 7 टाइम्स है फिफ्थ नंबर के, तो फिफ्थ नंबर को हम 7 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 385. नाउ द 7th नंबर इज 3 मोर देन द 6th नंबर, और 7th नंबर 3 मोर है 6 नंबर से, सो +3 कर देंगे 6 नंबर में, दैट इज 388. So very interesting. Now example 10. Think of a number, double it, add 18, take away 10, half it, take away 4. Now what do you get and why? So let us take the number 13. Now double it, 26. Okay. Now add 18. So 26 plus 18, 13 plus 13 plus 18. Now take away 10. So minus 10. Now divided by 2. So what will you get? You will get 17. Now after taking away 4, we get 13. So we get the original number only 13, right? So 13 को हमने कैसे लिखा? 13 plus 18 minus 10 minus 17 minus 4. So you will get only 13. Okay. So adding and subtracting the same number to a given number does not change the given number. Now exercise 1, based on such type of example, you can try these one. Like here, second one, the sum of the ages of Sunita and her brother is 8 years. Sunita is 7 years younger than her brother. Find her age. So you can try this one. So similarly, you can try these puzzles. Very interesting. Now the next we are talking about divisibility test. We have learned earlier that a composite number has factors other than 1 and itself. Here we shall learn the rule to find whether the given 2 or 3 digit number when written in general form is divisible by 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10 or not. So we have also learned that a 2 digit number can be expressed as 10a plus b, and a 3 digit number can be expressed as 100a plus 10b plus c. Now test of divisibility by 2. We all know that 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 all are divisible by 2. So let us consider 2 digit number 10a plus b. Now 10a is divisible by 2. So the number 10a plus b is divisible by 2 if b is divisible by 2, that is the unit digit is divisible by 2, or in other words, if the unit digit is one of 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. So for example, 54, 36, 82, these all are divisible by 2. But 73, 91, these are not divisible by 2. Now again let us consider 3 digit number 100a plus 10b plus c. We know 100a and 10b are divisible by 2. So the number 100a plus 10b plus c is divisible by 2 if c is divisible by 2. Means again unit digit is divisible by 2. So if unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is divisible by 2. For example, 123, 485, these all are not divisible by 2, but 234, 678, these are divisible by 2. So 10a plus b is divisible by 2 if b is divisible by 2, and 100a plus 10b plus c is divisible by 2 if c is divisible by 2. Now test of divisibility by 5. We all know that 0 and 5 are divisible by 5. Let us consider 2 digit number 10a plus b. We know that 10a is divisible by 5. So the number will be divisible by 5 if b is divisible by 5. That is the unit digit is divisible by 5, or in other words the unit digit is 0 or 5. So for example 20, 35, 80, 95 all are divisible by 5, but 81, 33, these all are not divisible by 5. Let us take a 3-digit number 100A plus 10B plus C. So we can see that 100A and 10B divisible by 5. So this number is only divisible by 5 if last digit means unit digit is divisible by 5. So for example, 125, 210, 895 are divisible by 5, but none of 303, 416, 729 divisible by 5. So hence 10A plus B is divisible by 5 if B is divisible by 5, and 100A plus 10B plus C is divisible by 5 if C is divisible by 5. Now test of divisibility by 10. On the lines adopted for test of divisibility by 5, we can argue that a 2-digit or 3-digit number is divisible by 10 if B or C is 0, or in other words the unit digit is 0. So 10A plus B is divisible by 10 if B is 0, and 100A plus 10B plus C is divisible by 10 if C is 0. Now test of divisibility by 3. We have learned that a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Let us verify when a number is written in generalized form. So let us consider a 2-digit number 10A plus B. Dividing 10A plus B by 3, we get A plus B as remainder. So thus 10A plus B is divisible by 3 if A plus B, that is sum of the digits A and B, is divisible by 3. So look at this, very interesting. Okay, now for example, see here 10A plus B, इसको हमने 3 से divide किया, we are getting 3A as quotient and A plus B as remainder. और अगर A plus B भी 3 से divisible होगा, then the number is divisible by 3. So that's why each of 12, 27, 39, 45 are divisible by 3, as the sum of the digits in each case is divisible by 3. None of the numbers 23, 31, 47, 64, 55 divisible by 3. Why? You know, because sum of the digits is not divisible by 3. So now again let us consider 3-digit number 100A plus 10B plus C and divide it by 3. By dividing 100A plus 10B plus C by 3, we get, so now divide 100A plus 10B plus C by 3, what we are getting? We are getting A plus B plus C as remainder and 33A plus 3B as quotient. So here you are getting remainder A plus B plus C. So a 3-digit number is divisible by 3 if A plus B plus C is divisible by 3. That is, sum of the digits A, B and C is divisible by 3. For example, the number 312, 504, 414, 138 all are divisible by 3, since the sum of the digits in each case is divisible by 3. But none of the numbers 410, 514, 812 divisible by 3. So hence 10A plus B is divisible by 3 if A plus B is divisible by 3, and 100A plus 10B plus C is divisible by 3 if A plus B plus C is divisible by 3. Now test of divisibility by 9. We have learned that a number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Now on the lines adopted for test of divisibility by 3, we can argue that a 2-digit or 3-digit number like 10A plus B or 100A plus 10B plus C is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. So hence 10A plus B is divisible by 9 if A plus B is divisible by 9, and 100A plus 10B plus C is divisible by 9 if A plus B plus C is divisible by 9. For example, the numbers 18, 27, 63, 54, 108, 414, 702 all are divisible by 9, but none of the numbers 213, 534, 255 divisible by 9. So now we solve below a few examples. Example 11. Which of the following are divisible by 2, 5 and 10? So some numbers given here: 36, 48, 120, 62, 213, 415, 565 and 730. Now by 2 we have to look at the unit digit. So 36, 48, 120, 62, and 730. All are divisible by 2 because the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Okay. Now B part, how we can check by 5? See, the unit digit must be 0 or 5. So here you can see 120 and 415 and 565 and 730. So these 4 numbers are divisible by 5 because the unit digit is 0 or 5. Okay. Now C part, by 10, see the unit digit, it must be 0. So 120 and 730. 2 numbers are divisible by 10, right? So very simple and interesting. Now see the next example 12. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 3 and 9? So what to do? We have to take the sum of the digits. So 72, 7 plus 2, 9, which is divisible by 3. Now 102, 1 plus 0 plus 2, that is 3. It is also divisible by 3. 21, 2 plus 1, 3. It is also divisible by 3. Now 65, 6 plus 5, 11. So this is not divisible by 3. Okay. This is not divisible by 3. Now 214, 2 plus 1 plus 4, that is 7. So this is also not divisible by 3. Now 402, 4 plus 0 plus 2, that is 6, divisible by 3. 672, 6 plus 7, 13 plus 2, 15, divisible by 3 है. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 9, 18, divisible by 3. So only 2 numbers 65 and 214 are not divisible by 3. Similarly, we can check for 9. So out of the given numbers 72 and 819 are 2 numbers, the sum whose digit is divisible by 9. So 72 and 819 are divisible by 9. Now example 13, replace asterisk by the smallest digit so that 1 asterisk 4, it is divisible by 3 and 9. Find the numbers also. See here, हमें यहाँ पर एक डिजिट लिखना है so that जो नंबर बनेगा वो 3 और 9 से divisible हो. So A part, first we are checking by 3. So sum of the digit 1 plus dash plus 4, that is 5. यानी 5 में हम क्या ऐड करें? 5 में हम 1 ऐड कर दें, 6 हो जाएगा and 6 is divisible by 3. So 5 में हम 1 ऐड कर देंगे because we have to find the smallest digit. हम 9 भी बना सकते हैं but we have to find the smallest digit. So the smallest digit is 1. So number becomes 114. Okay. Now for 9, here 1 plus 4, that is 5. अब 5 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि सम जो है वो 9 का मल्टीपल बन जाए. तो 5 में हम 4 ऐड कर दें. So the number becomes 144, right? So I hope these are clear to you. Now example 14, give 2 numbers which are divisible by 3 but not by 9. Can you find a number which is divisible by 9 but not by 3? So numbers 15 and 174, both are divisible by 3 but not by 9. There does not exist a number which is divisible by 9 but not by 3. जितने भी नंबर 9 से डिविजिबल होंगे वो 3 से भी डिविजिबल होंगे, लेकिन कुछ नंबर्स ऐसे हैं जो 3 से डिविजिबल हैं बट 9 से डिविजिबल नहीं हैं, लाइक 15, 174. ओके. नाउ सी एग्जांपल 15. Form as many as possible 3-digit numbers by using the digits 105 which are divisible by 2 and 3. So 105 से हमें नंबर बनाना है so that it is divisible by 2. So 0 को हम एंड में रख दें तभी ये divisible by 2 होगा. So answer is 510 और 150. So 2 numbers possible हैं, 150 and 510. Now by 3, अब by 3 चेक करना है. So we can write 105, 1 plus 0 plus 5, this is 6. 150 लिख दें, सम तो 6 ही आएगा, जैसी मर्जी लिखे. 501 and 510. So we are getting 4 possible 3-digit numbers which are divisible by 3. So exercise 2 based on such type of example. See question number 1, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2? तो आपने unit digit check करना है. Like here 95, no, this is not divisible by 2. 78, yes, because the last digit is 8. 436, yes, because the last digit is 6. So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now second question, which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? See the last digit, so 105, so yes, this is no, yes, yes, last digit is 5, this is no, this is no. Okay, so I hope these are clear to you. The third one, identify the numbers which are divisible by 10. The last digit must be 0. So yes, no, yes, yes, no. Okay, so which of the above numbers are divisible by 5 but not by 10? तो अब हमें इसमें से बताने हैं जो 5 से divisible है लेकिन 10 से नहीं है. So 315. This is divisible by 5 but not by 10 because the last digit is 5. तो 5 से तो होगा but 10 से नहीं होगा, right? Now see the next fourth question. Test the divisibility of the following numbers by 3. हम क्या करेंगे? Sum of the digits लेंगे, like 774. 7 plus 7 plus 4, that is 18. So this is the multiple of 3. So yes, this number is divisible by 3. अगर हम last number लें 813, 8 plus 1 plus 3, this is 12. So yes, this is also divisible by 3. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. Now the fifth one, which of the following numbers are divisible by 9? Again take the sum of the digits, like 210, 2 plus 1 plus 0, this is 3. But 3 is not divisible by 9. So this number is not divisible by 9. Like this 702, 7 plus 0 plus 2, sum is 9. So yes, this number is divisible by 9. Similarly, you can try remaining parts. The sixth one, separate the numbers which are divisible by 3 but not by 9. So see here, 702, 7 plus 0 plus 2, 9, ये दोनों से divisible है. 5 plus 0 plus 1, this is 6. So this is divisible by 3 but not by 9. ऐसे 213, sum is 6, divisible by 3 but not by 9. 102, sum is 3, divisible by 3 but not by 9. 675, 6 plus 7, 13 plus 5, 18, दोनों से divisible है. 426, 4 plus 2 plus 6, 6 plus 6, 12. So this number is divisible by 3 but not by 9. तो आपके पास कौन से नंबर आएंगे? 501 and 213 and 102 and 426 are divisible by 3 but not by 9. So now seventh question, replace star by the smallest integer so that the number becomes divisible by 3 and 9. See now B part, like 3 star and 2. तो star की जगह अगर हम 1 लिख दें, 3 plus 1 plus 2, this becomes 6. So divisible by 3. Okay, but अगर हमें 9 से divisible करना है, so what shall we write? 3 plus 2, 5. तो 5 में हम क्या ऐड करें? 5 में हम 4 ऐड कर दें, it becomes 9. तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 4. So 312 divisible by 3 and 342. It is divisible by 9. Okay. Now similarly you can try, like here E part 2, 2 and star. So 2 plus 2, that is 4. So 4 plus 2, it becomes 6. So we will write here 2. So this number is divisible by 3. Now for 9, what to do? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 5, that is 9. तो यहाँ पे हम लिख देंगे 5. 252 यानी 222 by 3 and 252 by 9. Okay, so I hope these are clear to you. Very interesting. Now the mental math, like the first question, filling the blanks, A part, 710 is divisible by 5 and 10. ओके, ऐसे ही हम क्या करेंगे, C part, a number divisible by 9 is always divisible by 3, right? So similarly you can try remaining parts. Now question number 2, true or false. A part, if a number is divisible by 2 then it must be divisible by 4. So is it true or false? See, like 10 is divisible by 2 but it is not divisible by 4. So this statement is false. Okay, ऐसे हम बाकी statements try करेंगे. So I hope these are clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day and take care.